Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Vanita Kuneningsi from 12 Science 1. I will presentation about autobiography of Lee Dong-hae. Lee Dong-hae was born in Mokpo, Jeollanam, South Korea on October 15, 1986 from father Lee Seung-yeon, deceased 8 August 2006, and mother Kim Kyung-suk. He also has older brother named Lee Dong-hwa. He had gone from Yonsei University, major performance art. His religion is Christian. His blood type A. Lee Dong-hae is a South Korean singer and actor. He is a member of the boy band Super Junior, its subgroup Super Junior M, and Dong-hae and Eun-hyuk, as well as the dance center of SM Entertainment. When Dong-hae was in his second year of junior high school, his father asked him if he really hoped Dong-hae could be a singer. Dong-hae initially wanted to become an athlete. After Dong-hae serious thought about it, he replied his father that he wanted to be a singer because he liked dancing and he had a confidence. Hence, under his father's help, Dong-hae made it. Dong-hae's father was really happy. Dong-hae was selected by SM. On August 8, 2006, at 2 a.m., Dong-hae's father leaving this world. Dong-hae's father passed away due to cancer when Dong-hae was 20 years. Dong-hae said his biggest wish is he wanted his father to be able to attend his concert. Dong-hae said his most unforgettable that is August 8. That day was the last time he saw his father. Dong-hae sang My Everything, and that song was dedicated to his father. Dong-hae was crying when he talked about his father. On 2013, he won award nominated Most Popular Korean Actor in Singapore Awards. On his birthday, October, Dong-hae always took time to visit his father's grave. Dong-hae including naughty children as a child, but he was a very dutiful son to his parents. Since the death of his father, Dong-hae always worked hard to make his father proud. He is a man who cares about people around. Dong-hae always entertaining other personnel of Super Junior when they miss their parents. Although he knew that he missed his parents more than anyone else. His parents is now in heaven and his mother in Mokpo. Dong-hae's father's death became a strongest motivation for Dong. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.